Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook monetization policy issue. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to your content. So click on content. So we are going to be looking for the content that have actually violate the Facebook monetization policy. So click on post type, click on video, click on live video, reel. So after that, we are going to choose the date. So we are going to check for the past videos we just uploaded on our Facebook page. So let me just say lifetime. So guys, from then now, you simply need to check for the videos. So we are going to check none of them. See, okay. As I was checking, so no video actually violated their policy, as you can see on this Facebook page. So after doing that, but if you have any video that is against their policy, all you simply need to do is that you simply need to delete that video. After deleting the video, you simply go back to your Facebook monetization policy page. You click here, after which you simply click on what? Brand content. So once you're there, you simply click on what? Enable this tab. Confirm. So guys, after enabling this, you simply go back to your overall review. That's the monetization page. You simply need to refresh it. So you need to wait for a while. So guys, as you can see, we just successfully solved that issue. Thank you guys for watching. If you face any difficulty doing this, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.